We mamish close to Chag HaShavuot, and today's Shloshim Akbala. We will know that you have 4 names for the holiday. Chag HaShavuot, as it says, Chag HaShavuot ta'aseh lecho bikurei ktsir chitim. Chag HaKatzir, cutting, Chag HaKatzir bikurei ma'asecho. You have the 4th name, it's Chag Yom HaBikurim, because we bring the Bikurim, it says, B'yom HaBikurim ba'kibchem mincho chadosho. And the last one is Atzeres. And that's the name that stays. Why? Every holiday, you have a reason why it comes out. But this holiday, Atzeres, it's just because it's nothing special, so we stop from working. Atzeres means stopping. That's why we call it Atzeres. In Vav B'Sivan, we got the Torah. In the year of 448 years from the creation, the beginning of the creation of the world. And that was Yom Shabbos. It's a Shabbos day. HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave us what? The Torah. That's why we also call it Zman Matan Toratein, the time that God gave us the Torah. Everybody asks why it says Zman Matan, giving us the Torah. Should be for what should be? Should be Zman what? Kabbalah Torah. Why Matan? Because that was really only the time that we got the Torah. But Kabbalah said accepting yourself the yoke of the Torah, that has to be every day, every hour. The yoke has to be always. Cannot be just a period of time. That's the whole year. So since when Shlosh Nemei Hakbala means we're very close, means the time that the preparation is about the Orach HaKodesh and other, that the preparation is more than the mitzvah. We count 49 days in order to get to the big day of what? Of Shavuot. 49 days just for one day. Right away, do the one day, right away. The answer is the achon has to be very strong. And that's why, some people say that Shavuot, you put what's his name? Wants to get flowers over here in order to make it nice. So really that was the custom, like Har Sinai was flowers. But some of the customs, the goyim was mevat, it said like minhag goyim. Some people say that flowers is not minhag goyim, they could do it. Anyhow, trees, for sure not. But flowers, other Rabbi should do it. We also daven a little bit later in order to have tmimos. And also over here, I wrote a whole article about it. What about Tosefes in Shavuos? Why we don't have Tosefes Yom Tov in Shavuos, like Tosefes Shabbos, Tosefes Chag? In Shavuos we don't have. So the Ramos, the Mishnah Brurah brings the word the Mogen Avraham. Why? Because of what Tmimos. But his other views, the Emek Broche, it brings other views that what we don't have, that if somebody wants to daven, it's only by food and to do Kiddush, that you do later. The Arukh brings. But actually daven, you could daven earlier. Anyhow, the custom is to be up the whole night, tonight, and it's put in the tashbets that anybody that doesn't sleep the whole night, it's guaranteed you'll live the whole year. Muftach lo, the word they'll be up the whole year, they'll be alive the whole year. Some people, and some, what's the reason? Because when HaKadosh Baruch Hu gave the Torah in Sinai, the Jewish people slept, you had to wake them up. And that's when we do the tikkun. It's put in the Zohar Kodesh. They do the tikkun of what? Of that they slept. So that's what, even though some people sleep, it's a reason, because the whole point should be davening, up, and to read Satira and Musaf. When you're up, not when you have, zombie, but you should try to do the best. Anyhow, one of the major problems, that's what I want to talk today, is the brachas. You're up the whole night. What about the brachas? So I organized it this morning, and I said I'll share it with you so you'll know what to do in order to know how to act in the morning. So first we have the Netilas Yadayim and HaShavuot. So if you didn't actually went to the bathroom, so you wash your hand 3 times, it comes Alois HaShachar, but you cannot make a bracha. But on HaShavuot, that if you went to the bathroom, so then for sure, because you entered the bathroom, that's the problem. When it comes to the you go to the bathroom, then you wash your hand 3 times, and you say, Netilas Yadayim and HaShavuot. Then you have Eloike Neshama, Shenosat B'Tohirui, So that Eloika Neshama. So and also the Mavir Sheno. That's after the brachas. The Mavir Sheno Meinas Lumam Apoy Beotzem V'Nechodat Yisefte. So that you should listen to somebody that actually slept. You should be yotzei by that. So Eloika Neshama and Mavir Sheno, that you should hear from someone else. Bikas HaTorah. So here you have a machloikes, if you can make Bikas HaTorah now, if you didn't sleep, yeah? And if you have to listen for somebody else, yeah? So really, if you have somebody that slept, good, but if you don't have somebody that slept, so then you can do it yourself, and you have in mind to be yotzei by Ahav or Rabbi, you know, before Shema Yisrael, Ahav or Rabbi Avtonu, then you have to be have in mind to be yotzei, yeah? Some people say that if you slept well in Erev Yom Tov, for sure you can make the bracha of Bikas HaTorah. We do Yotzet candle, that's very important. We do Shir Hashirim, v'chulu, v'chulu, v'chulu. I think that should be, covered all the things. I want to wish everyone a Shavuot Sameach. Hopefully it should be Kabbalah Satira, Vu Kulam B'V'Siachad, together, united, as the Chayim said. You have to have the three major things, you know, what is the Achona for Kabbalah Satira? One is to do extra effort, the Chayim HaKodesh says. Second of all is Anova. The third is what? Is to be amongst Chachomim and to learn from the Chachomim and to learn with them. Like this, the Torah comes out clear. So I want to wish everyone Chag Sameach. Kol Tov.